Stop. Yes, this message is for you. You didn't click by chance. You were chosen to hear this word right now. Pay close attention. My child, I know your mind races with worries about tomorrow, about the unknown, about what's coming next. Hear me. Your future is safe with me. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Every step you take, every challenge you face, every prayer you whisper, it is all under my watchful care. I am guiding you, protecting you, and preparing blessings that you cannot yet see. Trust in my plan, for it is perfect and full of hope. Rest in this promise today. And for more life-changing messages, subscribe to Jesus' Message for You and share this video so others can know their future is secure in God's hands.